Hi guys, welcome to my channel and if you're new here please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. तो आज की वीडियो is going to be a haul. It's a collective haul of Nykaa, Amazon and Sugar Cosmetics, also Purple. So recently हर ऐप पे एक्चुअली शॉपिंग ऐप पे सेल चल रही थी, सो आई काइंडा शॉप्ड विद इन दिस मंथ. इट्स नॉट वन पर्टिकुलर एट वन टाइम. मैंने ये 1 और 1.5 मंथ में पूरा ख़रीदा है. तो मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने पूरी चीज़ें ये बॉक्स में एक्चुअली कलेक्ट कर ली हैं और सो थोड़ी मेरी टेबल पे सामने ही है. सो फर्स्टली मैंने ये पर्पल से लिया है. दिस इज़ डर्मडॉक का फेस वॉश, एंटी एक्ने फेस वॉश विथ सैलिसिलिक एसिड. सो एक्चुअली मैं थोड़ा I want to start a chemical exfoliation. I want to get into it. So, and it was really cheap and I'm facing a lot of acne over here, so I thought why not, let's just give it a try. And it was on, it's actually for 225 rupees, but I got it for 170 or 180 during the sale. So yeah, this is first from Purple. Secondly, I got this Good Vibes ka cleansing lotion. It is in raspberry and peppermint, and let me just show you how it looks. Okay, it smell pretty strong to be honest, and it smell a little artificial, but it actually cleanses your makeup really well. And yeah, and it was pretty cheap for 170 or 165. So yeah, this is my second purchase from Purple. Next I got this Stay Quirky ka kajal, badass kajal. I have heard good things about it, so yeah, let's just give it a try. And it was really cheap, it's actually for 125. Next I got this Alp Goodness Multani Mitti powder. I have actually seen many YouTubers rave about these powders, and I really wanted to try this Multani Mitti. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to uh, do few DIYs with this. Next item I got from NY Bay, and it's a concealer. It's a concealer in stick form, but I got it in the shade Toast, so it's more of a, let me show you, it's more of a contouring and bronzing shade. Next I got this mascara. It's Maybelline Lash Sensational, and it's, you can see it, I have it on my eye. Those were all the things from Purple. Now we'll start with, what should I say, should I start Sugar? Yeah, let's just start with Sugar Cosmetics because I have just 2 to 3 things from Sugar. Let's go. So firstly I got this Sugar mini lipstick set. We have 4 lipstick over here, from pink to brown to red to, I got it for 7.99. Then I got myself Sugar Cosmetic Contour the mini blush and mini bronzer. It's in the shade Top Topper. It's in the shade Top Topper, and it's a beautiful shade. It's more of a contouring shade for medium skin tone, medium to dusky skin tone actually. It blends beautifully. Then I got myself this mini blush. It's in the shade Mauve Marble, and oh my god, it's such a pretty shade, you all. It's such a pretty pink shade that would suit all skin types. I mean, from fair to medium to dusky to deep. So next from Amazon, I actually got it. First is this Hilary Rhoda ka eyeshadow palette, colored eyeshadow palette. I have seen it all over the internet. So I wanted to try it. It's pretty pigmented, to be honest. I didn't expect it to be this pigmented. Could you see that? Let me just swatch this purple. Yeah, see, do you see that? So it's pretty pigmented. It was just for 250 or 220. Next I got this straightener from Amazon. It's Philips Kerashine Advanced Straightener. It's actually for 2400 something, but I actually got it for 1800, so which was a yay. This is how it looks like. It's in purple color. So now let's just start Nykaa haul. Firstly, I got this L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and I'm in the shade Golden Beige 104, and it's a pretty good foundation, and I got it on a deal actually, buy one and get one free. So yeah, I mean, alone, like, I mean, this itself costs 800 rupees and it was for 750, so I got this foundation for 750 and I got this for free. Then I got another foundation from Lakme. It's Lakme 9 to 5 Prime Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. It on a deal, so it was for around 325 or 330 rupees. Next up I got this Maybelline New York's liquid lipstick. It's a new launch, pretty new launch, and it's in the it's in the shade Sensationally Me. This is the shade I'm wearing right now. This is the lipstick. Do you see? I got this for Nykaa and it's for 349 rupees if you're a college going or office going girl and you want to invest in a good liquid lipstick that stays good, that stays put through. I think you should try it. You'll love it. You'll definitely like it. I got myself this NYX lipstick, liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Budapest. It's a beautiful shade, you guys. Next I got this compact powder, and it's from Maybelline Fit Me. It's a beautiful powder. I have actually hit pan because I'm continuously using it. Sister, because she works and she wanted she wanted a good compact for daily use, so I thought, why not, let's just give it a try. It controls the oil and does the normal thing a compact does. Look at my hand. Oh my god, let me just show you all what I'm talking about. That it's a good cleansing lotion. Do you see that? It actually cleansed. Do you see? And it doesn't dry up your skin. This we are finishing up our haul, and अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई and if you loved the haul, loved watching the haul, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and also notification bell. So yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for the precious time, and bye. Take care.